edition
Namdaemun Market.
We are here today to try some delicious Korean street food, but the dessert edition.
For winter time.
Yeah, it warms our hands and our bellies.
Yeah. Dessert for breakfast.
Oh yeah.
찐빵 2개 주세요.
It's like the size of my head.
짠.
Ooh, look at this steam. Inside, this is red bean, but it's sweet red bean.
찐빵. Oh, I got the so my side, I got I got the liquid. I was like, oh, that's hot.
Oh yeah, that.
It's brown sugar, right? Yum.
And like some nuts, the black sesame seeds.
It tastes like winter holidays.
It does.
Second one done.
Alright. Now, we're going to try our best to find our third one, which is called Mukbang. But, we don't know if we're going to be able to find it here, but we'll try.
We're going to go on a walk, so you ready for a time lapse?
Let's go!
Yes! Aly.
Yes.
I think we can get this, get something here, and eat inside.
Have a
Table!
of each kind. This one is
Custard. And it's upside down. This
Sorry.
is dead.
red bean
Red.
and custard. I feel like it's like brown. This might be the best mukbang I've ever had.
Yeah. Like an eclair or a Boston cream donut.
Yeah.
The sweet eat.
There you have it. That was Aly and Heather's Korean
Winter
street food dessert edition.